Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to do a typing test so that you can hear what it sounds like for the Corsair K70 MK2 mechanical keyboard. So we can have a listen to see if it's too loud or too soft, or do you actually like the sound of the keyboard. And after that, you can decide whether you want to purchase this keyboard or not. So let's do it now. Alright, so that's the keyboard right there, and that is what it sounds like when you are typing on the keyboard. And yeah, let me know what you think of the sound of this keyboard. Do you like it or you don't like it? Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.